Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. Okay, so this is going to be kind of in the series. This is same Minecraft world as usual. This third episode's going to be coming out probably later tonight. That one's going to be pretty lit because I have a lot of stuff to show you. So this is my little mine that I have so far. I dug down bedrocks like probably 3 blocks beneath me right here. And so we have a entrance coming from the basement of the house. Yeah, there's a basement. And from the outside, because I have like this really cool like pillars thing. But I just thought it might be cool because, you know, the first video, it kind of got cut halfway, and some of you might not believe me that I got those 3 diamonds from the dungeon. I also got another 3 diamonds from one of the shipwrecks. Well, I got 2 from a shipwreck, and then 1 from the buried treasure of the shipwreck. So I got 3 more diamonds. But just so that like no one thinks that like I'm cheating or anything, because why would I? This is 100% lit, not lit, yeah, legit, lit, for legit, 100% legit series. I'm just gonna make a couple mining paths. So let's do this and then mine just a little bit, and then do another right here. And then we'll just kind of mine for a little bit. Probably like 5 minutes, we'll just be mining. Hopefully get a couple of diamonds, that'll be pretty lit. Because if we could, then that would be lit. So, can we hit... What the heck? Bro, what is with this? I was about to say, can we hit 1 like for every diamond I find doing this? I already found 5. That's actually insane. So now we have 11. Doi math. Holy. We got 11 diamonds in all. Pretty lit, counting with zoom. Oh yeah. Bro, I just sense more diamonds. Like, this is weird. I can actually like sense them. Okay. Behind this next block, there's going to be diamonds. Bet. I believe. Darn it! Okay, I didn't really think there was gonna be diamonds, but really, I didn't bring any wood either. Okay, I'll be back in a second to go get more wood. Okay, so I just made a diamond pickaxe. New diamond pickaxe. I used up 3 of the diamonds though, which, you know, I'd rather not do all the time, but I should make a enchantment table. I really should. Okay. Let's just do some of this. Actually, no, I sense more diamond. Yeah. I sense more diamonds here. Even this one's right next to where we just found diamond. I sense more diamonds next to it. I just sense them. I have magic powers. There would have been diamonds here. I'm actually about to quit. Like, what the heck? Bro, you can't even make this stuff up. I don't know how I even would. I don't even have cheats on for this world. Like, what the heck? Bro, that's weird. What the heck? There's so many diamonds in this one area. Well, that would be 11 diamonds in this one area. Okay, I just had something pop up on my screen. Just had to get rid of that for a quick sec. You know. Holy. That's no joke insane. Okay, I'm gonna go to that one now. I believe there is 5, no, not 5, I don't even remember. There's 5 and then something. I didn't really pay attention. It would be 5 and, I'm looking at the screen right now. What the heck? I'm done. I'm actually about to get off. What the heck is this luck? Simon's like right there, diamond. Bro, what the heck? I'm done. I don't even want to take them. No, actually, what the heck? How many is this? This is a weird vein. What the heck? That is a weird vein. That was 6. Or not 6. 7. That was a weird vein in front of it. I didn't even know they came like that. Right? Imagine there's more past this one too. Holy crap, that would be insane. Oh, now I have to go play soccer. You know, always dig dirt out at Y11. You know. I've played UHC before. Dig the dirt at Y11. I don't even know what I'm at right now, but something near that is fun. Whatever it is. Okay. 7 minutes of just finding diamonds. What the heck? You know, we will just do a sneak peek for the views of the new house. You know. Here's where there's a mine shaft that I just dug straight into. It was scary. There's also a, what's it called? Wait. There's also a zombie spawning, so. Ooh, sneaky peeky. And this is what I mean for like the little pillar thingy. He's ready for sneak peek. Ooh, just a little one. Just a little peeky peek. Okay, that'll be all for this episode. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoy. Leave a like for every diamond I found. Like, what the heck? Like, iron spawn. Where'd the zombie go? What the heck? Bro, my zombie! What? Did it despawn? Oh, shoot. I forgot to give it something to hold. But it was my iron spawner. Leave a like for every diamond we found. And peace out.